Hello, luto silingan naman tayo. Magluto tayo ngayon ng fish fillet with sesame and honey flavor. Sa isang dish, naglagay ako ng 1 kilo na fish fillet, onion powder, a garlic powder, cornstarch, oyster sauce, sesame oil, wonder egg, a black pepper, and a salted taste. Then, isit aside natin for 1 hour para mamarinate. Then, after 1 hour, pahat na tayo ng frying pan, then naglagay ako ng oil, then fried natin yung fish natin. Pero before ako mag-fry, kinotin ko muna yung fish natin sa flour and cornstarch, garlic and black pepper. Mix natin doon, then i-fry natin yung fish natin. Then after ma-fry, sit aside natin, gawa tayo ng sauce natin. Ayan ang sauce natin. Honey, onion powder, garlic powder, oyster sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, butter, and ketchup. Then, ibalik natin yung fish natin sa pan. And then, mix natin hanggang matunaw yung butter. Then, sprinkle natin ng sesame seitan. Tara, ready to serve na. Kain na. Sukran. Masalamat. Thank you for watching.